Have you wondered how to install or use this exam view test generator test? Let's find out today. First, you take out the disk and you put it inside the computer this way. Now we have already inserted the disk in the computer. We have to look for it. So we enter in my PC. We'll look for the exam view disk. Then we look for setup file. We double click on it. And we have to wait for some seconds. We have to allow, obviously, our computer to install the software. And we have to wait until all the files are downloaded into our computer. We have to click on Next button. We have to accept the license and conditions, obviously. Next. I always suggest to choose complete, not custom installation. So we leave it here in complete. We go next. Then finally, we click on install and have to wait. There it is. We already finished. We click on finish. And the software is already installed. Make sure to choose the exam view test generator. Don't choose the other two. We have exam view test manager, exam view test player. We're going to work with this one, exam view test generator. So we double click. Once you open the software, you have to complete this welcome window. So the first thing, you have to write your name, Alexei in my case, then the name of a school or university, Nutesa, the city, that is Lima, in my case could be any city in Peru, then usually the region is 51, then we click on OK. And usually we have this window, so you have to be very careful not accepting race turnout because it will take you longer to install and you might have some trouble when installing. So I suggest to close, right? And this is the window you have to deal with. I'm going to skip this for a moment. So I'm going to start this from the very beginning. I'm going to pause the computer for a second. If we open again the software for the second time, we'll see the exam view registration window again. So now you will see that we have this option, don't show this message in the future. You want to click this box and close, and there it is. What do you want to do? Create a new test using exam view, and that's all. So you have the software already installed in your computer. That's all for now. So now we know how to install the software exam view test generator in our computers. So don't miss next Nutesa's tips when we're going to learn how to prepare and create wonderful exams with this very interesting software. So see you next time. Bye.